Good afternoon. So, the subject is principles of robotics. So, this principle of robotics consists of the topics fundamental of robotics, robot drive system, if and effect robot sensors, mathematical robot, and role of microcontroller in robotics. So, the first topic is fundamental of robotics. So, in that we have to see the historical development of robotics, definitions of industrial robot type and classification of robot, Smith's law of robotics, robot configuration, robot component, robot degree of freedom, work volume, work envelope, robot joint and symbols, robot coordinates, robot reference frames, resolution, accuracy, precision of robot work cell control. So the first point is transformation industries and innovation. So in 1784, industry had mechanization, steam power, weaving born. Then industry 2, 3 and 4. So these are the developments of the industry. In 1870 industry 2, in 1969 industry 3, and today is the industry 4. So first is the water power or the steam power. Then the next development is the mass production or assembly line electricity. Then the next development is the computer automation, and the today we are using the cyber physical system, that is industry 4. So one of the first instances of the mechanical device built to regularly carry out a particular physical task, which is occurred around 3000 BC. So in the first century, the Petronius arbiter made a doll which will move like a human being. So the history of robot has its origin in ancient world. So during the industrial revolution, the human developed the structural engineering capability to control the electricity so that machines could be powered with a small motor. And in the early 20th century, the notion of humanoid machine was developed. And the first uses of modern robot were in factories as an industrial robot, and these industrial robots were fixed machines capable of manufacturing tasks which allowed the production with a less human work. Digitally programmed industrial robots with artificial intelligence have been built since the 2000. So the concept of artificial servants and companies, at least as far back as the ancient legends of the who is said to have a sworn dragon teeth. So this is industrial revolution. Then this diagram shows the Industry 4 area, 4.0 area. So it consists of big data, 3D, cloud computing, system integration, cyber security, simulation, Internet of Things, that is IoT, robots. So this raw material energy information is given to the industrial area, and the output is the product and so the capabilities which must be acquired are its efficiency, flexibility, modularity, customization, real-time data integration, prediction, simulation, tracking, self-control, intelligent learning. So, Industry 4, worldwide Industry 4 is fueling the emergence of the smart factories across the diverse industry verticals, including future of manufacturing. So, Industry 4 is used as interchangeably with the fourth industrial revolution, and it represents a new stage in the organization and control of industrial value chain. So, cyber physical system form the basis of industry 4, that is for example smart machine, and they use a modern control systems, have embedded software system, and dispose of the internet address to connect and be addressed via IoT, that is internet of things. So industry 4.0, it refer to the intelligent networking of machine and processes for the industry with the help of information and communication technology. So this way the product and the means of the production get networked, and it can communicate, enabling a new ways of production, value creation, and real-time optimization. Cyber physical system create the capabilities needed for a smart factories, and these are the same capabilities we know for the industrial internet of things like remote monitoring or track and trace, to mention two. So industry 4 has been defined as a name for the current trend of automation and data exchange in manufacturing technologies, including cyber physical system, the internet of things, cloud computing, cognitive computing, and creating a smart factory. So, from Industry 4.0 to the fourth generation industrial revolution, it's shown in the previous figure. Now, Industry 4.0 is a vision that evolved from an initiative to make the German manufacturing industry more competitive to globally adopted term. So Industry 4.0 is often used interchangeably with the notion of fourth industrial revolution, and it is characterized by, among others, even more automation than in the third industrial revolution, the bridging of the physical and digital world through cyber physical system enabled by the industrial IoT. So next is, what is actually robot? What is the definition of robot? So what is the definition of robot? Robot means a reprogrammable multifunctional manipulator which is designed to move material, parts, tools or specialized devices through a various program motions for the performance of variety of tasks. So Robot Institute of America 1979. So robot is what? Robot is actually a machine. It is a machine, especially one programmable by a computer, capable of carrying out a complex series of action automatically. Robot can be guided by an external control device, or the control may be embedded within it. So robot may be constructed to evoke a human form, but most robots are task performing machines which are designed with an emphasis on stark functionality rather than expressive aesthetics. So robot can be autonomous or semi-autonomous and range from the humanoids, such as Honda's advanced step in the innovative mobility. So robot is what? It is a robot, any automatically operated machine which replaces human effort. Through it may not resemble human being in appearance or the performance functions in human-like manner. So by extension, robotics is the engineering discipline dealing with the design, construction and operation of robots. So the concept of artificial human predates a recorded history, but the modern term robot derived from the sage word robota. The place robots were manufactured humans heartlessly exploited by a factory owner until they revolted and ultimately destroyed humanity. Whether they were biological like the monsters in the Machines or mechanical was not specified, but the mechanical alternative inspired a generation of inventors to build electrical humanoids. So robot is a machine, usually one programmable by a computer, and it can carry out a complex series of action automatically. Some robots are humanoid and most robots are not humanoid. Now, so the robotics is the science of designing and application of robots, and it involves the branch of computer, mechanical, electrical, and electronics engineering studies. So, stiff joint and compliant joint. So, here the diagram of the robot is shown where two colors are given. So, blue color shows the stiff joint and the red color shows the compliant joints. So, So this diagram shows the stiff joint and the compliant joint. At neck there are two joints, that is degrees of freedom. DOF means what? It means degrees of freedom. So a group of researchers from the Italian Institute of Technology has designed a common robot, that is compliant humanoid, featuring joints with a variable stiffness which would improve their safety. The robot is made of titanium alloy, stainless steel, and aluminum alloy, which is covered by ABS plastic skeleton. So the compliant humanoid is modeled on a 4-year-old. After the implementation of stabilization control move method, the robot steadied itself on moving platform when it was knocked around. So at neck there are 2 degree of freedom, at shoulder there are 3, then at the elbow there are 1, at waist. So here joints and the degree of freedom, number of degree of freedom is given here. So there are total 25 degree of freedom. So industrial robot, a general purpose programmable machine processing a certain anthropom- uh, anthropomorphic characteristic. So these characteristics are hazardous work environment, repetitive work cycle, consistency and accuracy, difficult handling tasks for humans, multi-sheet operation, reprogrammable, flexible, interface to other computers. So these are the characteristics. So the next is the definition. So robotics is an interdisciplinary subject. Uh, it, it So robotics involving all subjects, that is mechanical engineering. It consists of all mechanical, electrical, electronics engineering, also computer science, biology and many other disciplines. And it deals with the study of types of robotics. It consists of types of robotics, their simulation, their designs, their constructions, their operation and their performance, etc. So this diagram shows now the historical development of the robotics in 1986, 1987, 1999, 3, 93, 97, 2005, 2007 and 2011. So this diagram shows the historical development of the robotics. Now what are the benefits of robotics? So accuracy is one more. So accuracy is the benefit. Next is a low technical barrier. So next is the low technical barrier, also compliance, non-invasive technology, consistency, reliability, productivity, improved employee more. So these are the benefits of the robotics. And here one example is shown, or the construction diagram is shown, that related to the robotics. So here robot is placed near the conveyor belt or near the conveyor on which camera is placed. So how this robot is connected to the mechanical, electrical and computer system is shown here. So this slide shows the benefits of the robotics.